Good day everyone. We are Group 8 and today we will present our Python project called the Course Load Optimizer. In this presentation, we will walk you through how our system works, why we created it, and how each feature helps students and professors manage academic workloads more efficiently. Our goal in developing this project was to design a tool that not only organizes subjects but also helps prevent burnout by giving users a clear view of how demanding their schedule is. With the help of modular programming and clean code structure, our program becomes easy to navigate, simple to understand, and effective in solving the real challenges students face when planning their semester. Throughout this video, we will demonstrate each part of the system step by step so you can clearly see how every file, function, and feature contributes to the overall workflow.
Our system uses a modular programming. Each file has a specific purpose. Main.py controls flow, auto.py handles login, menus.py displays the options, studentaction.py, and professoraction.py contains features, and storage.py controls the data.
When the program starts, the login menu appears. The user chooses whether to log in as a student or a professor. After that, the program asks for the full name and SR code and checks if the SR follows the correct format. After a successful login, the program directs the user to their corresponding menu.
Now, we will demonstrate the student features. First is add subject. The user types the subject name, unit, and difficult level. The program calculates the workload automatically. Then, view subject display a table of all saved subject and show the total workload. If it exceeds 50 hours per week, a warning appears.
Next are edit subject and remove subject. Edit updates the units or difficulty and calculates the workload, while the remove deletes a subject entirely. Both features allow the student to keep their workload updated and organized.
The suggested balance load featured sort subject and recommend a combination under 30 hours per week. This helps students manage their time better. The plot workload feature shows us ASCII graph where each star represents 2 hours of workload. This provides a simple visual comparison of heavy and light subject.
For the professor side, we will demonstrate two features. View subject lets the professor see all student subjects with units, difficulty, and workload. The recommendation tool shows the three lightest subjects so the professor can guide the student in balancing their load.
In conclusion, the Course Load Optimizer helps students control their study load and assist professors in giving workload advice. Our project applies dictionaries, loops, sorting, input checking, and modular coding, making it organized and easy to use. And thank you for watching our presentation.